make a saw log holder thing. I think we got there. Took a couple of chunks of wood and built a log milling construction. And of course I totally stole the idea of surviving ringworm. You have to check him out on YouTube. The dude is absolutely fantastic. Surviving ringworm. Next chore of the day. Try to get another board out of this log. Last time I totally free-handed it. I took 2 boards out of it. Of course, one was 3 centimeters. That's a little over an inch. And the other was almost 4 centimeters. So my eyes are not so good anymore, but I ordered a sawmill, so a Scandinavian sawmill, which is coming in next week probably. And that's the whole reason why I built this thing, so that I can start milling and see if that's something I like. There's plenty of wood to practice on, so here we go. Well, it is what it is. For a 3rd board, I'm proud of myself. Let's see if it's straight a little. But you see, it's about an inch. It's a half an inch, I think. That's why I ordered the sawmill, because this is not consistent. But I'm having fun. That's the most important part. I made this. I made these boards with a homemade ribbon chain. And the idea I stole again from YouTube, but that's not important right now. What I did is I filed these down, and this is not exactly the right part of the chain I want to show you. Let me see. All right. I filed 4 of these down around 10 degrees, and then I removed half of the width of the tooth on the next 2. And normally they say you should file them down in 30 degrees, in the normal 30 degrees, but I didn't. I put I filed these down in 10 degrees too, so it's all 10 degrees, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 normal teeth, and then 2 half width. And this is a 67 tooth chain, 325, 1.3 millimeter, and it works like a charm. as you saw. It's pretty fast and takes about 5 minutes to make a board out of 6'2". Yeah, the log was about 6'2", so 5 minutes takes to make a board out of it. So I'm proud of myself. So this was another video. I hope you enjoyed the stupid things we all do here. The next video could be here on the ranch, could be in the woods, could be in one of the beautiful places the Ore Mountains has to offer. So stay tuned for another video and press all the buttons.